Close your eyes for just 3 seconds and feel the darkness. This silence is what your body experiences when its vital structural systems begin to fail. I am Dr. Thomas Reed, and I am not here to give you vague advice. I am here to reveal the precise biochemical mechanisms of aging. Millions of people suffer as their joints and skin collapse, unaware that the solution lies within a hidden biological network we call the gut-skin-joint axis. Think of the nights you have spent awake, feeling the ache in your bones and the loss of elasticity in your skin. It is truly heartbreaking. Inside you, collagen fibers are snapping like old, rotting ropes. This structural collapse is what causes the visible and physical signs of aging we fear. But what if you could reverse this? By understanding the gut-skin-joint axis, you can trigger a total reconstruction of your body while you sleep soundly. Everything starts in the gut. When your digestion is optimized with specific enzymes, it sends a signal to your skin and joints to begin immediate repair. Tonight, we move beyond surface-level treatments. We are going deep into your cellular machinery to flip the switch on your body's natural regenerative powers. Your body is a sophisticated machine. Every second, billions of chemical reactions determine whether you are building yourself up or slowly breaking yourself down. When your gut becomes inflamed, it sends toxic signals throughout your system. These signals act like rust, corroding your collagen and making your joints stiff. To fix the machine, we must target mTor, the master metabolic switch. This protein kinase regulates how your cells grow, proliferate, and most importantly, survive. Activating mTor at the right time is like turning on a factory's night shift. It starts the process of autophagy, where your body cleans out waste. Autophagy is your internal recycling program. It breaks down damaged proteins and clears the path for brand new, high-quality collagen to take their place instead. As the waste is removed, your joint's GDK supply of lubricating fluid. This is essentially oiling your internal gears to prevent painful friction. Clinical studies published in the JAMA Journal and research from the University of Cincinnati confirm that specific enzyme blends can trigger this cellular renewal. We aren't guessing here. The data shows that by manipulating these biological pathways, we can physically rebuild the connective tissues that support your entire frame. Every molecule we introduce through these drinks serves as a building block. We are providing the raw materials your DNA needs to execute repairs. Watch as the dermal layer strengthens. This isn't just cosmetic, it is the structural integrity of your largest organ being restored from the inside out. The secret lies in the synergy of enzymes. When you combine the right natural ingredients, you create a biological catalyst far more powerful than drugs. This is endohydrotherapy. We are rehydrating your cartilage and skin at a molecular level, ensuring every cell has the fluid it needs to thrive. Time is of the essence. By synchronizing these drinks with your sleep cycle, you maximize the growth hormone release that happens during your deepest rest. Your body enters a state of total reconstruction between midnight and 4 a.m. That is when our enzyme formulas do their most critical work. Now let's move to the kitchen. I will show you exactly how to prepare these 5 master enzyme formulas using simple, powerful, natural ingredients. Our first formula focuses on bromelain, a powerful enzyme found in pineapple. It is nature's most effective tool for breaking down systemic inflammation. Combine the pineapple with fresh ginger. Gingerol acts as a secondary catalyst, increasing blood flow so the bromelain can reach your smallest joint capillaries. As the juice is extracted, the enzymes remain live and active. This golden liquid serves as your primary lubricant for stiff and aching joints. Think of this as an internal cooling system. It targets the heat of inflammation and flushes out the jagged crystals that cause joint pain. Drink this 2 hours before bed. It prepares your body for the heavy lifting of tissue repair that occurs during your first deep sleep cycle. Formula 2 uses the intense power of anthocyanins from blueberries. These are the ultimate defenders of your existing collagen matrix against oxidative stress. Adding thyme introduces thymol, which works synergistically with the berries to strengthen the gut lining, preventing toxins from leaking into your bloodstream. This deep purple elixir acts as an antioxidant shield. It prevents the daily damage from pollution and stress from breaking down your skin's elasticity. While you sleep, these molecules wrap around your collagen fibers like a protective blanket, ensuring they remain strong and flexible for years to come. Our third formula is the repair engineer. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that specifically targets and dissolves damaged, non-functional protein structures. When mixed with turmeric, the curcumin becomes a powerful signal to your stem cells to migrate toward areas of cartilage wear and tear. This combination effectively cleans the construction site and then provides the blueprints for your body to start rebuilding the smooth surface of your joints. This is a heavy-duty recovery formula. It is essential for those who feel the most severe stiffness in the morning or have visible skin sagging. Formula 4 is the collagen catalyst. Vitamin C from lemon is the essential cofactor that your body needs to actually assemble new collagen strands. Mint leaf extracts help to soothe the digestive tract, ensuring that the high dose of vitamin C is absorbed efficiently without causing any acidity. Without this catalyst, your body simply cannot build. This drink ensures that all the other proteins you eat are actually turned into skin and bone. It is light, refreshing, and critical. Think of it as the glue that holds your entire cellular reconstruction project together during the night. Finally, Formula 5, endogenous hydrotherapy. Cucumbers are a massive source of silica, the mineral responsible for the strength and resilience of connective tissue. We blend this with fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe contains ace-mannan, a complex polysaccharide that helps maintain the water-holding capacity of your joint cushions. This formula literally pumps water back into your tissues. It's like inflating a flat tire, giving your joints the bounce and shock absorption they need. Hydrated cartilage is healthy cartilage. By drinking this, you ensure that you wake up feeling supple and fluid, rather than dry and brittle. Knowledge without action is useless. I've designed a 21-day schedule that rotates these 5 formulas to keep your body in a constant state of repair. You don't need all 5 every night. By following this specific rotation, we prevent your system from plateauing and ensure every enzyme remains highly effective. I know you are busy. You don't need expensive, fresh-off-the-farm produce every single day. Frozen fruits are often frozen at the peak of enzyme activity. Using frozen ingredients can save you up to 40% on costs, while actually providing a higher concentration of the key enzymes we need. Spend just 20 minutes on Sunday doing batch prep. Portion your ingredients into small bags and store them in the freezer for the entire week. This removes the friction of choice. When you are tired at night, all you have to do is grab a bag, blend, and drink. Discipline becomes easy when you have a system. This 21-day plan is designed to fit into a real life, not a perfect laboratory setting. By the end of the first week, you will feel the difference in your movement. By week 3, your skin will reflect your internal health. Your only job is to provide the ingredients. Your body, the most advanced pharmacy in the world, will do the rest while you sleep. Every sip is a targeted command to your cells. You are literally telling your body to stop aging and start thriving again. We have covered the science, the formulas, and the plan. Now, we must talk about the commitment you are making to your future self. This is not a miracle cure or a quick fix. This is a scientific realignment of your body's most basic biological functions. I am standing behind this because the biochemistry is sound. This is the same advice I give to my private patients who seek true longevity. Imagine waking up without that familiar stiffness. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a version of yourself that looks rested and revitalized. This is what we are fighting for. The ability to live your life fully without being held back by a body that feels like a cage. Nature has provided the enzymes, and science has provided the roadmap. All you have to do is take the first step tonight. Don't let another night pass where your body is breaking down. Start your reconstruction now and reclaim the flexibility that is rightfully yours. Remember, pineapple, blueberry, papaya, lemon, and cucumber. These are your 5 pillars of health. They are your path to a new life. I am Dr. Reed, and it has been an honor to share this journey with you. I will see you at the peak of your health. If you found this valuable, join our community of health seekers. Subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss a breakthrough in longevity science. Sleep well tonight, knowing that your body is beginning its most important work. We will be here to guide you every step of the way. The vision of a healthier you is not far away. It is just 21 days and 5 simple recipes from becoming your new reality. Your internal structure is your foundation. Protect it, rebuild it, and it will carry you through the best years of your life with ease. To your health, to your mobility, and to the science of self-healing. Let us toast to a future where age is just a number.
You are not alone in this. Thousands have already taken this path and are seeing results that defy conventional medical expectations every single day.
Make today the day your story changes. Write it down, commit to it, and watch as the science of enzymes transforms your physical world. The peak of vitality is within your reach. Reach out and grab it. Your body is ready for the change. Are you ready to lead? Listen to your body. It is calling for these nutrients. It is calling for the repair that only you can provide through these formulas. Everything we have discussed today is the result of years of research. It is a gift of science to your long-term physical well-being. Take the ingredients, follow the plan, and rest easy. Your transformation has already begun the moment you decided to take this information seriously. Go now and build the body you deserve. I am Dr. Thomas Reed, and this is the end of our beginning. Stay healthy always.